Hong Kong, a vibrant tapestry of soaring skyscrapers and ancient traditions. It's a city that pulsates with energy, beckoning travelers from all corners of the globe. But let's be real, navigating this urban jungle can be daunting, especially if you're trying to escape the tourist traps and experience the real Hong Kong. Many visitors find themselves overwhelmed by the sheer scale of the city, lost in a maze of neon lights and bustling streets. They hop from one crowded attraction to the next, never quite capturing the true essence of this extraordinary place. But fear not, fellow adventurer. I'm here to guide you beyond the glossy brochures and unveil the hidden gems that make Hong Kong truly special. Forget the long queues and overpriced souvenirs. We're about to embark on a journey to discover the soul of Hong Kong. From bustling local markets to serene temples hidden in plain sight, we'll unearth the city's best-kept secrets together. So, ditch the tourist map, grab your walking shoes, and get ready to experience Hong Kong like a local. Are you ready? Let's go. First things first, let's ditch the usual suspects and venture off the beaten path. Instead of riding the Peak tram, hike up Victoria Peak for breathtaking views and a chance to escape the crowds. Trust me, the panoramic vista from the top is worth every step. Next, hop on a ferry to Chung Chau Island. This charming island offers a glimpse of traditional Hong Kong life, far removed from the city's frenetic pace. Explore the island's colorful streets, sample fresh seafood at local eateries, and soak up the laid-back atmosphere. For a dose of culture, visit Chi Lin Nunnery and Nan Lian Garden in Diamond Hill. These serene havens offer a tranquil escape from the urban hustle. Admire the intricate architecture, stroll through peaceful gardens, and find your inner zen. As the sun begins to set, head to Temple Street Night Market in Kowloon. This vibrant market comes alive after dark, with vendors hawking everything from trinkets and souvenirs to delicious street food. It's a feast for the senses and a great place to experience Hong Kong's lively nightlife. No trip to Hong Kong is complete without indulging in its legendary culinary scene. Forget fancy restaurants. The best food is found in the city's many Dai Pai Dongs and street food stalls. Start your day with a steaming bowl of wonton noodles, a Hong Kong staple. These delicate dumplings, filled with savory pork or shrimp broth, are a true taste of local life. For lunch, grab a plate of roast goose or char siu, barbecued pork, from a local eatery. These succulent meats are roasted to perfection and best enjoyed with a side of steamed rice. In the evening, venture into the bustling streets of Mongkok and indulge in a culinary adventure. Sample a variety of street food delights, from egg waffles and fish balls to stinky tofu and curry fish balls. Don't be afraid to try new things. You might just discover your new favorite dish. And for a sweet treat, don't miss out on Hong Kong's famous egg tarts. These creamy custard tarts with their flaky pastry crust are the perfect way to end your culinary journey. To truly understand Hong Kong's vibrant culture, immerse yourself in one of its many festivals. The Dragon Boat Festival, held annually in June, is a spectacle you won't want to miss. This ancient festival commemorates the life and death of the Chinese poet and politician Qu Yuan. Witness the thrilling dragon boat races as teams of paddlers race their colorful boats to the beat of drums. The atmosphere is electric, with crowds cheering on their favorite teams. Beyond the races, the Dragon Boat Festival is a time for feasting and family gatherings. Indulge in zongzi, sticky rice dumplings wrapped in bamboo leaves, a traditional delicacy served during the festival. Soak up the festive atmosphere, enjoy the cultural performances, and witness a tradition that has been passed down through generations. Remember, experiencing local festivals is a fantastic way to connect with the heart and soul of a destination. So come and be a part of the excitement and immerse yourself in the spirit of Hong Kong. Getting around Hong Kong is surprisingly easy and affordable thanks to its efficient public transportation system. Ditch the taxis and embrace the MTR, the city's clean and reliable subway system. With its extensive network, you can reach almost every corner of Hong Kong quickly and affordably. For shorter distances, hop on a tram. These iconic double-decker trams have been a part of Hong Kong's landscape for over a century and offer a charming way to explore the city streets. Don't be afraid to get lost in the maze of streets and alleys. Some of the best discoveries are often found when you least expect them. And if you find yourself needing directions, don't hesitate to ask a local. Hong Kongers are generally friendly and helpful, and they'll be more than happy to point you in the right direction. Remember to purchase an octopus card. This rechargeable card can be used for all forms of public transportation, as well as for purchases at convenience stores and supermarkets. It's a must-have for any traveler in Hong Kong. So there you have it, a glimpse into the real Hong Kong, beyond the tourist traps and cliches. A city where ancient traditions meet modern marvels, where culinary delights tantalize your taste buds, and where adventure awaits around every corner. Remember to embrace the unexpected, wander off the beaten path, and connect with the locals. These are the experiences that will stay with you long after you've left this dynamic city. So pack your bags, book your ticket, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to Hong Kong. Trust me, this vibrant city will captivate your senses and leave you wanting more. Your Hong Kong adventure awaits.